Aslam alaikum young friends. Are you ready to explore the enchanting world of Surah Al-Falaq? Surah Al-Falaq is like the first light of dawn. It's the second last surah in the Quran and protects us from darkness. It's like putting on a superhero cape to shield us from unseen dangers. Surah Al-Falaq seeks refuge in Allah from the unknown. Reciting each verse of Surah Al-Falaq invites a radiant light into our lives. It guides us away from anything that may harm us physically or spiritually. Reciting Surah Al-Falaq connects us with Allah's incredible power. It reminds us that Allah is the ultimate protector. Let's make Surah Al-Falaq a part of our daily routine. Recite it in the morning and evening to fill your day with positive energy. Embrace Surah Al-Falaq's verses with love and let your heart shine bright like the dawn. Good morning and good night, little stars.